What if I told you that the United States possesses an arsenal so brutal, so advanced, and so perfectly coordinated that it could humiliate, invade, and subjugate any country on Earth without even giving it time to declare war? It may sound exaggerated, but it isn't. The United States has quietly built a war machine designed not to fight long wars, but to end them before they even begin. An arsenal built to strike from the air, from the ocean, from space, and from cyberspace, all at the same time. We're not talking about isolated aircraft or missiles, we're talking about systems capable of shutting down entire nations. Nuclear triads ready for the final scenario. Platforms that blind enemy defenses, break communications, and force any nation into one single option: surrender or disappear. Today, on Tech ZNX, you're about to discover the 10 most powerful, real, and devastating weapons ever created by the United States. The ultimate arsenal capable of humiliating and invading any nation on the planet in a matter of hours. So, get ready, because what you're about to see is the true reality of modern military power. Let's begin. Top 10. B-21 Raider. It's not a bomber, it's the key that unlocks a modern invasion. The Raider was designed for one purpose: to go in first when the enemy still believes it is safe. Its stealth profile, near-invisible thermal signature, and integrated electronic warfare allow it to penetrate the most heavily defended airspace on Earth without being detected by radars, satellites, or air defenses. While other aircraft require escort, the B-21 flies alone. While others wait for orders, the B-21 is already over the target. Its mission is not random bombing. Its mission is decapitation. Underground command centers, nuclear bunkers, missile bases, communication nodes, seats of power, and strategic capitals can be destroyed in the first strike, leaving the enemy without leadership, without orders, and without the ability to respond. Its global reach is what makes it terrifying. It can take off from U.S. territory, cross entire oceans, strike anywhere on Earth, and return without refueling, all without the target nation even confirming what hit it. In a modern invasion, the B-21 doesn't announce war, it ends it before it begins. When the B-21 enters the game, there are no warnings, no negotiations, and no second chances, only sudden silence, and a state that stops functioning. And that's why it opens this top 10, because no invasion begins with troops. It begins with the B-21 Raider. Top 9. X-37B. It doesn't fly, it lurks. It is the most secret military vehicle ever launched into space. It can remain in orbit for years, without crew, without public trajectory, and without anyone outside the Pentagon knowing what it is actually doing. And that is where the real danger lies. While the world looks down borders, armies, tanks, the X-37B operates from above, where real defenses do not exist. From low orbit, it can observe, intercept, and sabotage enemy satellites, leaving a country blind, deaf, and isolated in a matter of hours. Without satellites, there is no GPS. Without GPS, there are no guided missiles. Without communications, there is no command structure. A modern invasion begins like this, by shutting down the sky. The X-37B can deploy classified payloads, test orbital weapons, interfere with space-based sensors, and prepare strikes that fall from above, with no detectable trajectory, no sirens, no warning, no clear attacker. Imagine a country that suddenly loses all its military satellites. Radars go dark, missiles lose guidance, drones fall from the sky, and all of it happens before the first visible shot is fired. That is why the X-37B is key. It wins the war before it starts, by controlling the only domain no one can defend. Space is no longer neutral. With the X-37B, the United States turned it into the first battlefield. Top 8. AGM-35A ARRW. It's not a missile, it's a sentence falling from the sky. The ARRW was designed to answer one question: how do you destroy a country before it can react? The answer was speed. This hypersonic missile is launched from high-altitude bombers and accelerates to extreme velocities that no existing missile defense system can reliably track, calculate, or intercept. It does not follow predictable trajectories. It does not allow reaction time. It does not offer second chances. When an ARRW is launched, The clock runs in minutes. Its role is not mass destruction. Its role is decapitation. Command centers, radar systems, missile silos, headquarters, and communication nodes can disappear before the enemy even knows it is under attack. It doesn't need a nuclear warhead. Its kinetic energy alone turns the impact into a devastating explosion capable of destroying fortified targets instantly. That's the ARRW, a weapon that breaks the timeline of war, where the strike happens before the decision to defend. Top 7. F-35 Lightning II. It is the brain of the battlefield. The F-35 was not designed to fight alone, but to see everything, connect everything, and destroy everything before the enemy understands what is happening. Each unit is a node of total war. Sensors, radars, electronic warfare, satellites, and weapons operating as a single organism. While other aircraft search for targets, the F-35 creates them. It penetrates enemy airspace silently, identifies threats, marks targets, and disables systems without firing a visible shot. Its true power is coordination. It can guide missiles from ships hundreds of kilometers away, direct bombers outside its area, and coordinate drones, artillery, and ground forces in real time. The enemy thinks it is facing separate attacks, when in reality everything is controlled from one invisible point. When the F-35 controls the sky, the war is already lost. Top 6. Trident II D5. It does not launch from land. It does not take off from a base. It emerges from silence, in the ocean. The Trident II D5 is one of the most precise and lethal missiles ever created, hidden in nuclear submarines. It strikes before detection is even possible. Each missile carries multiple independent nuclear warheads capable of hitting different targets thousands of kilometers apart. Cities, military bases, centers of size, power, all gone in one coordinated launch. The terrifying part is certainty. You can destroy air bases, you can hit silos, but you cannot destroy what you cannot find. And when the ocean launches missiles, the war is already over. Top 5. LGM-35A Sentinel. It is not an upgrade. It is a complete replacement of land-based nuclear deterrence. The LGM-35A Sentinel was designed from a disturbing question. What happens if the United States is struck first with nuclear weapons? The answer is this missile. The Sentinel is built to keep operating even after a massive nuclear attack. Its silos, command systems, and communication networks are hardened to survive explosions, electromagnetic pulses, and coordinated sabotage. Even if the country is burning, the system remains alive, and when it remains alive, it responds. This intercontinental ballistic missile is faster, more precise, and far more difficult to intercept than any previous generation. It can cross continents in minutes, adjust its flight profile, and strike with an accuracy designed to eliminate critical strategic targets in a single blow. But the most unsettling part is not its power, it is its logic. The Sentinel is not there to win battles. It is there to ensure that no one dares to start one. In a total invasion scenario, these missiles form the backbone of final retaliation. Even if air bases, cities, and military infrastructure have been destroyed, even if the enemy believes it has neutralized the United States, the Sentinel proves otherwise. Because as long as even one remains operational, the war is not over. It is the ultimate reminder that even after the worst possible scenario, the United States can still destroy whoever challenged it. And that is why the LGM-35A Sentinel does not defend borders. It defends the absolute end of the conflict. Top 4. Directed energy weapons. They do not explode. They make no sound. And that is exactly why they are so dangerous. Directed energy weapons, lasers, and microwave systems represent a brutal shift in how a nation can be invaded and subdued. They do not destroy cities with fire. They destroy a country's ability to function. The United States has developed these systems to strike without leaving visible traces. A beam of energy travels at the speed of light, and when it hits, there is no warning, no missile on radar, and no time to react. Something simply stops working. Drones fall from the sky like stones. Satellites are permanently blinded. Radars shut down in seconds. Military sensors are disabled without a single explosion. And that is only the beginning. More advanced versions can fry entire electronic systems, trigger regional blackouts, collapse data centers, disable air defense networks, and reduce a modern army to technological scrap. All of this without immediate casualties, and without crossing the visible thresholds of traditional warfare. In a modern invasion, directed energy weapons are perfect for the opening phase. They leave the enemy blind, deaf, and disoriented, unable to coordinate forces, launch missiles, or even understand what is happening. No craters, no smoke, no clear evidence of an attacker. Just an entire country wondering why everything stopped working at once. Directed energy weapons do not conquer territory. They conquer the invisible infrastructure that holds a nation together. And when that infrastructure collapses, the invasion is already won. Top 3. Rods from God. This is not a bomb. This is physics turned into a weapon. Rods from God is one of the most brutal concepts ever conceived. Tungsten rods dropped from orbit, falling toward Earth at hypersonic speeds. They carry no explosives. They require no detonators. The destruction comes purely from kinetic energy. When they hit, they strike like a meteor. A single rod can penetrate kilometers of rock, destroy underground bunkers, erase buried command centers, and turn hardened installations into dust. Without radiation, without nuclear fallout, and without a clear signature that immediately reveals the attacker. And that is the terrifying part. No radar can reliably detect it in time. No missile defense system is designed to stop something falling vertically from space. No sirens, only a flash, and the target ceases to exist. In a modern invasion, rods from God are perfect for eliminating what cannot be reached. Deeply buried leadership bunkers, hardened silos, and critical infrastructure protected against conventional weapons. Everything happens in seconds before the enemy even realizes it has been attacked. No contamination, no long-term fallout, no need for evacuation zones. But destruction on the level of a tactical nuclear strike. With rods from God, the United States does not need to cross borders or launch waves of missiles. It simply opens a hatch in orbit and lets gravity do the rest. It is the weapon that turns the sky into judge and executioner, and when it falls, there is no appeal. Top 2. Ohio-class nuclear submarines. They do not sail, they stalk. Ohio-class nuclear submarines are the most lethal strike platform ever built by humanity. They do not seek combat, they do not need visibility. Their power lies in something far more terrifying. No one knows where they are. While the world scans the skies for aircraft and watches borders for tanks, these steel giants move silently beneath the oceans for months, even years, without being detected. And, while they patrol, they carry enough firepower to erase entire nations from the map. Each Ohio-class submarine can carry Trident II D5 missiles, each equipped with multiple independently targetable nuclear warheads. That means a single submarine can strike dozens of targets across thousands of kilometers in a single coordinated launch. Capitals, military bases, industrial centers, political and economic hubs, all gone, before confirmation of the attack even exists. The most disturbing aspect is certainty. Even if the United States were attacked first, even if airfields, silos, and command centers were destroyed, the Ohio submarines would still be there, intact, invisible, and ready to respond. In a total invasion scenario, their mere existence changes everything. The enemy knows it cannot find them, it knows it cannot stop them, and it knows that if it crosses a certain line, the response will come from the ocean without warning. Ohio-class submarines do not win wars. They impose the permanent fear of losing everything at once. And that is why they stand at number 2. Because when war reaches the deep ocean, there is no turning back. Top 1. The nuclear triad. This is not a weapon. This is the system designed to end the world. The nuclear triad of the United States is the most perfect architecture of destruction ever created. It does not rely on a single platform. It does not depend on one type of strike. It continues to function even when everything else has been destroyed, and that is exactly why it cannot be stopped. The triad combines 3 arms of total annihilation that reinforce each other. From the air, strategic bombers capable of launching nuclear weapons from anywhere on Earth, changing targets mid-flight and waiting for hours for the final order. From land, intercontinental ballistic missiles ready to launch within minutes, protected in silos built to survive nuclear hell. And from the ocean, invisible submarines patrolling silently with enough power to destroy entire civilizations without warning. If one fails, the other 2 respond. If 2 are destroyed, The third guarantees the end. That is what makes the nuclear triad unstoppable. There is no missile defense system capable of stopping a coordinated strike from air, land, and sea at the same time. There is no shelter, no refuge, and no negotiation when this system is fully activated. It is the definition of total dominance. In an absolute invasion scenario, the triad is not used to conquer territory. It is used to force immediate surrender or to ensure the enemy ceases to exist as a state. Capitals erased, global infrastructure collapsed, economies annihilated, and a planet that never recovers. The nuclear triad is not a threat, it is a certainty, and that is why it holds the #1 position, because when this system is activated, it is no longer about winning a war. It is about deciding whether the world continues or ends. And there you have it. 10 real weapons. 10 systems designed not to intimidate, but to eliminate any nation that dares to challenge the United States. This is not science fiction. These are not impossible prototypes. This is the most powerful operational arsenal ever created. A machine built to humiliate, invade, and dominate any country on Earth in a matter of hours, or even minutes. The real question is not whether these weapons work. The real question is what would happen if they were all activated at the same time. Do you think the world could survive an arsenal like this, or are we already living in an era where wars are decided before they even begin? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to keep discovering the most extreme arsenals, the most secret projects, and the true power shaping the world today, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here, on Tech ZNX, reality is always more terrifying than fiction.